Do you have a problem hitting your sales goals? We have a perfect solution for you. Project Target. With Project Target, you can guide all your sales reps to their goals, track their performance, motivate them to make more sales, see the big picture of your company, and save your time. This software is a sales performance management system that projects and recalculates individual and team targets in real time, and it's designed to help sales-oriented companies. Let's see how it works on a real-world example. Richard is the sales director of a big sales company. He is responsible for the performance of more than 100 sales reps. Performance management and results focus on more than 100 sales reps, and managers are the biggest challenge. When Richard himself was a sales rep, he used to break down his monthly goals into daily targets and recalculate them day by day, manually. His focus on his goals is what made him an exceptionally successful sales rep. Looking at 100 sales reps, he thought that they could have the same results and increase their sales volume if only they applied the same method. He tried to pass that on to sales managers and have them pass it on to their sales reps. But all that effort proved to be exhausting and ineffective, as it is not easy making sure that more than 100 people do their math every day. So a few years ago, he realized that if he could set up a system that could automate this recalculation, a little like a guided missile that recalculates its trajectory depending on variables and encounters, he could have his reps' results increased by 15 to 20% every year, only by getting focused on their daily targets, and his life would be much easier. So he got in touch with developers from around the world, and after many years of looking for the right team to work on this project and thousands of dollars spent into development, he was finally able to create the solution that is so much needed. Project Target. No more manual recalculation. No more self-created spreadsheets. No more miscalculating. No more disbelief in goals. Now every rep is 100% focused on his personal goal, is totally committed to his goal, and hits his goal every single month. All they have to do is pull out their mobile phone every morning and see exactly how much they need to produce that day in order to reach overall monthly goals and get their much-desired bonus at the end. With Project Target, Richard can now see the company hierarchy in the organizational module as a real-time organizational chart. Going further, he has an insight into all his sales reps' performances up to date, and he can also check their future targets. In other words, he can see what they have done so far and, what is more important, what they need to do to reach their targets as of tomorrow until the end of the day, week, month, trimester, or year. With the target in focus and associated KPIs, Dashboard drives a department or user to success because it is target-oriented. Statistics module can turn big data into the advantage, and Richard has a clearer picture of how well his employees are performing. Using the competition module, Project Target can additionally motivate your sales staff to reach their goals and receive bonuses by making the work environment more competitive. As for Richard, he can now have a closer input on what his sales reps are producing, who is right on top or bottom, so he knows exactly where his energy and time should be better spent, and his sales force are producing like never before. To keep his sales reps focused on their primary task, which is hitting their targets, Richard, as a sales director, will use advanced parameterization settings, allowing them access only to the module he considers beneficial. Project Target Unified APIs allow most of today's known CRMs to be integrated with it, and therefore it provides a smooth experience, allowing Richard to access much of the data he needs and cares about. Project Target.